Hi, welcome to 2019. Christine here. So what do I do while I'm waiting for stuff to dry? Yes, I'm in the studio. What was old studio is now new studio in progress. What do I do while I'm waiting for stuff to dry? I spin. So today, just like my ceiling and that I started patching, I'm on my second coat. And also my spinning, I'm on my second bobbin. Little life lesson for 2019. Let's start off the new year right by being your own, embracing it, loving it, and live it. What do I mean by that? Just like a few videos ago, it's like you are the designer. A lot of people don't understand, especially with spinning. This is the roving that I'm using. No, I did not dye this. And if you follow people on Instagram or you see things on Pinterest and people have spun this colorway up and you want to try to recreate it, everyone's different. Everyone drafts differently. Everyone in the knitting, has a different gauge or a different project in mind. Unless you're doing it exactly and taking the time to find that gauge, you're not going to get the same results. Just like there's a big thing about Pinterest fails, like whether it's cooking or baking or whatever. Just like this ceiling, it was patched before. It is plaster, and I believe it started off to be smooth because every room in this house is different and they're all plaster. So I have one room that's smooth, I have this room that was textured in a different pattern, and then my main room is textured in another pattern. So I wasn't going to try to match up the pattern. So what I did was I started by knocking off all the big nubs of stuff and then sanded it and then just started to smooth it out, and we'll see how that goes. Just like spinning and knitting, or say if you watch those like I Want to Be a Star, American Idol or whatever, and you want to aspire to be like somebody else, be yourself. If everyone was the same, the world would be boring. Who wants to be like plopped out of a machine or something, or cloned, or that's why you have to embrace being yourself, being different, being creative, and I know every creator gets a block from time to time, and that's when they have to sit back and reflect. So no matter what project you're doing, or if you're learning something new, because it is the start of a new year, so everyone normally makes resolutions, embrace your own creativity. Embrace your differences from everyone else and create something beautiful, something that you're proud of. So let's start off the new year right. 2019, be yourself, embrace it, do something wonderful, and show it off to the world, because you are different, and it's a good thing to be different. Well, I have to go to get some sandpaper for this ceiling, and also I broke one of my patching knives, the one I use the most. Of course, it's the one I use the most. it's a new morning here. I got my stuff from the home improvement store, but I have to show you this. I must say it was quite comical. I had a lot of people doubting when I was loading this, so I just had to show you. So stay tuned for the update in the studio here, and I got my accent wall. So please, oh yes, what are you whining about? What are you whining about? What? Did you think Mommy was leaving? Did you think Mommy was leaving? Mommy wasn't leaving. Mommy was just getting her wood. Yeah, more wood. Tell everyone, like this because I'm cute. Subscribe if that's something you do. And we'll see you in the next one. So I hope you started off the new year right. Thanks for watching. If you like this, Mike, you'll get a kick out of that one.